influences emotion long before detail is noticed. This script dives into the psychological impact of color choices and how they shape viewer perception. The lesson opens by explaining how warm and cool tones communicate different emotional signals, even when used subtly. You will learn how to guide emotional response by adjusting color relationships rather than individual hues. The teaching style is narrative-driven, connecting visual decisions to human behavior and memory. Instead of correcting colors to look right, you will be guided to make them feel intentional. The practical takeaway is learning how to align color decisions with the story you want the image to tell.